Hello everyone. So we'll move ahead, and now we are going to start with how to protect workers in the unorganized sector. Already we have discussed about the unorganized sector, so how we have to protect them. Okay, because in the market there are so many vulnerable people are there, the people those who are not protected. Okay, so in market there are so many laborers are there, so there are some people in the market who are going to exploit them. We have seen that the case of unorganized sector, in that we have seen that one person, okay, he is working on the particular shop, Kamal. Okay, so that Kamal was working on that particular shop and he is not getting a fixed salary, also fixed days of working, fixed timing of the working, everything was not fixed. So we have to protect them. The government should make some kind of rules for them. Okay, to protect the workers, the government should organize some campaign for them. Government should provide some schemes to this particular type of unorganized sectors people. Okay, in this way we can save them. Here you can see this particular person, he belongs to unorganized sector. Okay, so the government should do some kind of work for them. Government should provide them some schemes for them. Okay, this particular unorganized sectors person are included like vendors, head load workers, garment makers, rag pickers यानी जो कचरा उठाने वाले लोग होते हैं. Small scale industries also needs government support. Okay, these are the things which we have to include in this. Here the next topic is sectors in terms of ownership, public and private sector. It's very important. What is public sector and what is private sector? Public sector and private sector. First of all, we'll talk about the private sector. Private sector is a sector in which all the means of production, means of production means the work, means of production are land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. What are the means of production? Land, labor, capital and एंटरप्रेन्योर. दीज आर, इसको हम शॉर्ट में याद रखने के लिए क्या बोलते हैं? सेल, CELL, लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल एंड एंटरप्रेन्योर. C stands for capital, E stands for entrepreneur, L stands for labor, L stands for land. So this particular means of production, यानी कि cell means the means of production, land, labor, capital and entrepreneur are in the hands of private people. Private people are who? We are the people. जैसे आप हो गए, मैं हो गया, या जितने भी लोग, हम लोग जो सोसाइटी में रहते हैं, हम सबके पास पर्टिकुलर क्या है? मीन्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हमारे हाथ में. कितना प्रोडक्शन करना है, क्या करना है, एवरीथिंग इज डिसाइडेड बाय द प्राइवेट सेक्टर पीपल. Which are the job opportunities to create in the market, everything was decided by the private sector people. And what is public sector? If we talk about the public sector is basically a sector of government in which all the means of production are in the hands of public. Public means government, and government is going to decide ki how much job we have to create in the market, how much expenditure we have to do in the market, all this. Okay, so here you can see one example of private sector and public sector. Railways and post office is an example of public sector, whereas companies like Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited, TISCO or Reliance Industry, RIL, are privately owned. Clear? These are the things. Just go through this. Now we are going to summing up this, and in the next video we will discuss about the questions.